Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to launch Epic Games from Steam. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, maybe you'd like to open up Epic Games Launcher to your Steam because some controller or some games doesn't support the controller, or you're having issues using your controller with the Epic Games Launcher. Okay, or some other issues as well. So to do that, go ahead and open up Steam and then go ahead over to your library. Click on your library. Now go ahead and go to the bottom left, click on Add a Game. And then go ahead and click on Add a non-Steam game. Just like so. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher right here in the list. Click on the tick box besides Epic Games. Click on Add Selected Programs. And then once that's done, go ahead and go to the left panel, browse through the list, and usually at the very bottom, you'll be able to see the Uncategorized section. Okay? So what you're going to do is just go find Epic Games Launcher, click on it, and then for faster, okay, direct launching, what you're going to do is just go ahead and right click on it, click on Properties, and then under Launch Options, go ahead and type down -Epic Portal. Okay, by doing this, you'll be able to bypass the launcher. Okay, so just go ahead and close this one. Now you can go ahead and hit on play, wait for it to load, and it will just open up Epic Games Launcher, no problem. There you have it. That is how you launch Epic Games from Steam. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.